Hello, my name is Chad Deley, and I'm with the Altic Orlovich Deley Agency. I started with American Income, it was about 8 years ago. And when I started with American Income, previously I was a welder fitter. And when I was laid off, and I decided that wasn't the trade I want to pursue because, you're breathing in toxic fumes every day. It's a hot, sweaty environment. And there's definitely no air conditioning or anything like that. But one of the things that I did love about being a welder was the ability to get involved. And I got involved with the union and became a union official. And I loved the fight for social justice that we would always have and how we would help the community and do things to better working people, not just people in our shop, but people out there. So when I was laid off, I was a little bit taken back. I was kind of like there's something missing now. And I thought, how am I ever going to get that back? And an acquaintance of mine told me about American Income, and I went in for the first interview, and I found out here was a company that they ran a food bank at every one of their offices for people in a time of need. When people are on strike or they're laid off, those are some of the toughest times I know from my previous experience. That, hey, they don't got to worry about their insurance benefits. American Income says, hey, that's okay, it's taken care of till things are better. When they have scholarships funds for children of working people who could be a little bit impoverished or they'd never be able to go. And they take care of working people. And I thought, wow, here's a company with a social conscience. I'd never thought I'd find a company like that. So I came on to American Income. And when I first came on, I thought, well, if I can just make enough as I made as a welder, life's going to be okay. And for a little while, that's, it was up and down, but that's pretty much what it was. And then I got excited and I just listened to my mentors and they said, go to work, do this, do that. And now today, 8 years later, I'm one of the top leaders in the company. And if someone had told me in that first interview, well, hey, Chad, this is how much money you're going to make in the future, I probably would have got up and left and thought, there's just no way that's possible. But here today, I don't have to worry about that part of my life. But what I can do is, and it's honor, a privilege every day to see those new young people come in, not young in years, but young in the business, and see their enthusiasm, their passion, and know that they're not going to go through the stuff that I went through 8 years ago because now the company has systems and structures. They're not going to have to walk through 3 feet of snow uphill every day like my parents would tell me they had to do when they went to school. All that's been done. They can come in, there's systems in place, and they can immediately go out and make a great living for their family. And I think probably the greatest thing for me at American Income is seeing those people come in and watching their lives change every day and watching them help other people, and all because of American Income. That's why I'm here today.